The flower stand on Fun with Flowers and Jay is provided by Golden Flowers. Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Design Master Color Tool.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, let's create a holiday centerpiece. And let's use the new Uber mat from Design Master. We'll be using crema and ink, along with some beautiful piano roses. So let's get started with our holiday centerpiece. We're using Uber Matte Crema to paint a pinecone wreath. I love Uber Matte because I don't need a primer. I can use the Uber Matte and I can cover something even as intricate and porous as a pinecone. Always make sure that you shake it. And go in and paint. I'll get the back side as well. With Uber Matte, the coverage is quick and easy. Now we can make our arrangement. I've selected a dish that fits into the center of my wreath. We're using red piano roses from Alexandra Farms and Carolina Sapphire from Fern Trust. I have 2 long pieces of Carolina Sapphire. I'll cut those into smaller pieces so they're easier to use. Gathering up the Carolina Sapphire and my red piano roses into my hand, I'm making a small hand bouquet. Once I've got that all arranged, I'll bind it at the bottom with bind wire. I secure the bind wire and cut the stem short. Because I have a flared vase, I have room to place the ink ornaments all the way around the bowl, giving it a unique dimension when people are looking at it sitting at the table. I didn't have any black Christmas tree ornaments, but I was able to paint them this beautiful matte finish by using the ink Uber Matte from Design Master. I reserved a couple to stick into the top of the arrangement. They're a great accent. I have 2 widths of black and red checked buffalo plaid from Reliant ribbon. This is a great felt ribbon and it's beautiful. I cut a length and I'll stick it in between my pinecone wreath, making loops and just inserting it down in between the pine cones. It holds securely. Then we'll cut 2 lengths of the wider ribbon and use it as a table runner. Here, I've used it just on one side and created a right angle with 2 lengths. It's a perfect way to dress up your table for the holidays. I love it when we have unexpected colors for the holiday. Our crema pinecone wreath is very unexpected, but then adding the red and the black with the buffalo plaid and our ink ornaments. And with the piano roses, well, we simply have a masterpiece. Thanks to Design Master. It's time to color your holidays unexpected. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.